Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to be doing the Marches Club Couture transfer. It's French Market, and I've decided to do it in spring colors. So I'm doing bright white, Morning Sky, and Wisteria. It's a new in vogue color, and it's only available for this catalog. Also wanted to let you know, if you're a club, all transfers are on sale this month for the month of March, and they are buy 4, get the 4th one free, and it is the lower amount. It comes out in your cart. Also, you can do multiples of 4, so if you buy 8, you get 2 free, 12, you get 3 free of the lower amount, and that is for the whole month of March. Also, if you're a Club Couture member, you have a special for 25% off on all the storage organizers on my website. And also wanted to know, sorry, that's my granddaughter talking. Also want to let you know that they have changed the shipping rate for customers. And if you are a U.S. customer, site order is $6.95 flat rate, and that started March 1st. Also, March 3rd, sorry about that. And if you are a Club Couture customer, shipping rate is $4.95 flat rate. They have not got, I haven't got word that the Canadian shipping rate has changed yet, but it will change. Canadian chalk side orders will be $13.95 Canadian flat rate. If you're a club member, it will be $9.95 Canadian flat rate. So you might want to check those out. Now let's get started. Product, I like it. A little difficult, more than I thought it was going to be, but it's not too bad. But I like it. Like the colors. And if you'd like to know anything about my the product that I've used today, my links are, or any of my links, all of the information will be below, down below in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and don't forget the sales.